this guide, I'm going to show you how you can level up fast here in Demonfall. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going to break this up into a few different parts depending on where you are in the game. If you're still early on in the game, the fastest leveling method is to server hop boss farm. Essentially, head to the snowy area and look for bosses like Cairo or Geo. Cairo gives you roughly 8,000 XP per kill. And defeat the boss, leave the game, join a new server, and then repeat. Doing this constantly can get you to level plus. Doing this consistently can get you to around level 40 plus very quickly. Now, still in early game, you can also go ahead and pick up village NPC quests because these quests will give you passive XP while you're already playing, so it's free progress and always worth doing. But if you're in mid to late game, by far the fastest way to level up, and this I recommend starting around Prestige 5, is going to be doing raids. You can unlock raids in Kamado Valley, and these raids are by far the fastest leveling method in the entire game. Even reaching wave 7 gives more XP than boss farming, so if you're grinding levels seriously, raid should be your main focus. But if you're an in-game, do the Infinity Castle because it offers the highest XP per minute. It's extremely difficult though, and it is best done with a coordinated team. So make sure that you're doing the high tier breathing styles like Sun or Moon. This is by far optional, but it is also super fast to get XP if you're able to handle it. Obviously, squatting up can give you even faster XP, and make sure that you're not getting too attached to hitting level 100. Each prestige will permanently increase your XP gain, so make sure that you prestige every opportunity that you have the chance to. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.